Fear has a way of making problems look bigger than they really are. An entire army stood frozen before one man, convinced defeat was certain. But one young shepherd saw the situation differently. He trusted Jehovah, not size, strength, or weapons. The Israelite army faced the Philistines, and every day their champion Goliath stepped forward. He was massive, experienced, and heavily armed. He mocked Israel and challenged anyone to fight him. No one accepted. Fear spread through the camp. David arrived carrying food for his brothers. When he heard Goliath's words, he was shocked that no one responded. David remembered how Jehovah had helped him protect sheep from lions and bears. To him, Goliath was no different. King Saul offered David armor and weapons, but they felt heavy and unfamiliar. David chose instead what he knew: a sling, 5 smooth stones, and complete trust in Jehovah. As David stepped forward, Goliath laughed. David declared that the battle did not belong to human strength, but to Jehovah. He swung the sling once. The stone struck Goliath's forehead and the giant fell. What fear had made impossible, faith made simple. David's victory wasn't about courage alone. It was about trust. He didn't focus on the size of the problem. He focused on the power of Jehovah. Fear grows when we look only at what stands against us. Faith grows when we remember who stands with us. Jehovah does not require perfect strength. He asks for trust and willingness. The same Jehovah who helped David still helps those who rely on him today. What giant are you facing right now? Is it fear, uncertainty, or a situation that feels too big to handle? How might trusting Jehovah change the way you face it? Share your thoughts in the comments if you feel comfortable. If this story helped you understand the scriptures more clearly, please like this video. Subscribe to Scripture Stories Explained for simple Bible stories and reflections each week. Feel free to share this video with someone who could use encouragement today.